someone was telling me in Bombay, they have 3D, something called 3D movie, three-dimensionally. Wear some special glasses and you see 3D movie. Now they have something called 4D movie, four-dimensional. Like us, we're four-dimensional. We're length, width, depth, and consciousness. We have the jiva, as a living being, we have 4 dimensions: length, width, depth, and consciousness. Matter and mixing with consciousness. So this is 4 dimensions. So what is a 4-dimensional movie? It's a 3D movie, and you wear the glasses and see some special photography with special glasses, goggles, specs. And then they come around, and if you see in the movie there's some waterfall and water's falling, then they come around with a spray gun of water and they spray everybody in the audience. And they go, "Oh, wow, the water's coming on me. It's a new dimension. I'm not only seeing this 3 dimension, but I'm feeling the water." And then if somebody is moving through a rose garden and a lady or whatever, they're seeing the roses or picking roses, then some guy comes around and sprays some aerosol. Synthetic rose gulab ganda, and he goes, "Oh, I smell roses." So he was telling me about the glories of 4D movies, which I've never seen. And I said, "Yes, I said, my dear sir, you are in a 4D movie." Huh? I said, "Yes, you yourself are the main star. You are the main actor. You're the Mukhya Nayak, or whatever they call it. What do you call it? Hero. You're the hero, right? You're the hero," they say in India. Cinema hero. You're the leader of this, you're the chief actor in this 4D movie. "Oh, really? What is that?" "You don't know. Distress, dissatisfaction, disappointment, and death.